then gives me the idea of, okay, well, based on what you have, do we want to develop a slider or a curve? Do we want to change or with more run, or do we want more depth to it? And then it gives us a good idea of where we're at. And it gives us a development plan. And then it also allows me the ability to track how it is we're progressing, because, it would just be like, in a sense, like having a watch that's not set to the correct time. If we don't know exactly what your stuff is doing, it's not going to help me to start making adjustments on that. So, regardless of age, we like to kind of know where that athlete's at, and then we can kind of build that pitching plan from there. Once we get that pitching data squared away, then we start to use for our strength building. We use ArmCare. So the ArmCare system itself is fantastic at building in. It has the new spear training model, which is going to go through single leg stability, core rotation and power, stability, all these other things. And then combining that information with everything it is that I have on my evaluative process, now we're creating a big, robust aspect for the athlete there. So once we have all that information, we have all that data, then we start using ArmCare even more consistently to determine, is this athlete bouncing back? Do they having recovery problems? And if they're having recovery problems, is it because we're doing too much of the throwing? Is it because we're doing too much training? Or is it just purely we need to implement something like a Mark Pro?